Hi, this is Miss Todoric, and I wanted to share with you guys an opportunity. So this is Cititrends. I brought the shopping bag in today. You'll see it posted on the wall. If you are 18 years old, I would love for you guys to apply. It's part of the Black History Month. It's in celebration of Black History Month. They are giving 10 $5,000 grants to entrepreneurs. So I know we have a handful of entrepreneurs right now. Some of you are seniors, very few are 18, but this is something to keep in mind. They do this every year. So you got to apply by the 28th. So in celebration of Black History Month, Cititrends is acknowledging Black entrepreneurs that are making history in their community today. Our goal is to help advance and further the businesses of Black entrepreneurs. Our application, so what you got to do, please, I encourage you as well to apply to this $5,000 grant. You're going to type your email address. I'm not going to apply, but I'm going to show you how short and sweet this application is. So here you're just going to put your information, your date of birth, your address, click on next, and then I don't know the next step, but I'm pretty sure it looks like it's an easy application, super simple. I encourage you to apply. A lot of you are very talented. I know someone who does hair, extremely talented, absolutely amazing. One other student has his new fashion line, clothing line. So definitely apply. And if you aren't 18 and you know someone who is an entrepreneur, forward them this email. I posted it up on Instagram. I'm making this YouTube video. Just forward them this website, and I'll put this website in the description. And good luck. Keep me posted. Thanks for watching.